Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we tackle the most common gadget glitches with easy, step-by-step fixes. Today, we're diving into the 747 How to Fix Insignia Soundbar Blinking Blue Light 2025 issue. If your Insignia soundbar is flashing that blue light and driving you crazy, don't worry. It's often a simple fix that can save you time and frustration. This problem usually signals a connection issue, a firmware glitch, or even just a loose cable, but we'll get it sorted out quickly. First things first, let's start with the basics. Unplug your soundbar from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. This gives it a chance to reset and clear any temporary errors. Once that's done, plug it back in and see if the blinking stops. If it does, great job, you're all set. But if not, move on to checking your connections. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged in, and if your soundbar uses HDMI or optical cables, double-check those too. A loose connection is a common culprit. Next, if the light persists, it's time for a full reset. Locate the reset button on your Insignia soundbar. It's usually on the back or bottom, and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash or turn off. Power it back up and test it out. This often resolves software hiccups. Now, for more advanced troubleshooting, check if your soundbar needs a firmware update. Download the Insignia app on your phone or visit their website, connect your device, and look for any available updates. Installing the latest firmware can fix compatibility issues, especially with the 2025 models. If none of that works, try pairing it with your TV or Bluetooth device again. Sometimes, interference causes the blinking. Turn off nearby devices, then reconnect following the manual's instructions. And remember, if you're still seeing that blue light, it might be worth contacting Insignia customer support. They're usually helpful with warranty claims or advanced diagnostics. There you have it, folks. With these steps, your soundbar should be blinking goodbye to that blue light. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.